Ready? Start. We have heard Sri Tushar Mehta, Learned Solicitor General for India and Learned Counsel appearing for various states by our order dated 27/11/2020 passed in this proceeding. We have taken sumoto cognizance of the incident which happened in Rajkot, Gujarat on 26/11/2020 resulting in death of COVID patients in the COVID hospital. The court has also taken notice of earlier incidents of fire in COVID hospitals. Learned Solicitor General had submitted that immediate steps shall be taken and the report will be submitted. State of Gujarat was also directed to submit the report. Affidavits have been filed by Union of India on 30/11/2020 and 11/12/2020. The Union of India in its affidavit dated 30/11/2020 has brought on record. The later dated 28/11/2020 issued by Ministry of Home Affairs. Government of India. The Government of India issued advisory to all the states to prevent the recurrence of fire incident in COVID hospitals and nursing homes. The Union of India has called for the status of implementation of guidelines issued in reference to preventing recurrence of fire accidents in hospitals, status of no objection certificate report regarding inspection and re-inspection of hospitals and nursing homes. In pursuance of the orders issued by Union of India to all the states, status reports were sent to the Union of India, which has been complied in affidavit dated 11/12/2020. Although different states and union territories have taken measures and conducted inspections, found out shortcomings regarding prevention of occurrence of fire in the hospitals and nursing homes. Further audits and inspections are required to be taken. Few states have also filed their separate affidavits enumerating their steps taken by them in compliance of the advisory and requirement for. The Union of India has directed the states and union territories to update their respective local building bylaws, fire services, synchronizing them in line of Model Bill on Maintenance of Fire and Emergency Service 2019 circulated by Ministry of Home Affairs on 16/9/2019. The state of Gujarat has filed separate affidavit bringing on record the directions issued by the state and the details of inspection undertaken and audit of few dedicated COVID hospitals. It has further stated that a nodal officer for fire safety has been appointed in dedicated COVID hospitals, government and private hospitals. We, with regard to above, issue following directions. All state union territories should appoint one nodal officer for each COVID hospital, if not already appointed, who shall be made responsible for ensuring the compliance of all fire safety measures. In each district, state government should constitute a committee to carry fire audit of each COVID hospital at least once in a month and inform the deficiency to the management of the hospital and report to the government for taking follow-up action. The COVID hospital who have not obtained NOC from fire department of the state should be asked to immediately apply for NOC and after carrying necessary inspection, Decision shall be taken. Those COVID hospitals who have not renewed their NOC should immediately take steps for renewal, on which appropriate inspection be taken and decision be taken.